What if I told you the next drone you buy could instantly make you an expert FPV pilot without you ever having to learn how to fly? Imagine capturing impossible, mind-bending angles with zero effort. Welcome to the ultimate first look at the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360. This is not just a minor upgrade. It is a complete game changer that is rewriting the rules of what a drone can do. Today, we're going to dive into the incredible new features, the bizarre new camera design, and why this might just be the most unfair advantage any solo creator could ask for. Let's get right into it. At first glance, the new Cinewhoop design of the Avata 360 immediately stands out. When you place it next to the older Avata 2, you will notice it is quite a bit wider and taller. It now features 4-blade propellers instead of the traditional 3. This smart tweak actually helps reduce the noise level, making it slightly quieter while maintaining that low-profile stealth we love. It is still heavily protected by full propeller guards, meaning if you bump into a wall or a tree, you are far less likely to cause a catastrophic crash. The drone body itself is actually slightly slimmer than its predecessor, mainly due to the new, streamlined battery design. But the real magic, the thing that makes this drone completely unique, is sitting right on the front. There is a massive new module housing the 360 camera, and it has a brilliant trick up its sleeve. This module actually rotates. Yes, you heard that right. This is essentially a 2-in-1 drone. When you're up in the air, you have two 360 cameras working together, one on top and one on the bottom, capturing absolutely everything around you. The sensor sizes are impressively large, delivering fantastic image quality and rich colors. But here's where it gets crazy. If you decide you just want traditional, forward-facing FPV footage without the hassle of editing 360 files, you simply press a button on your controller. The module physically rotates to face forward, instantly transforming the Avata 360 back into a standard FPV drone. This even happens automatically when you land or take off. The bottom is protected by rubber pads to keep that protruding camera safe from rough ground, and the moment you lift off, it smoothly switches back to 360 mode. One of the most mind-blowing parts of using this drone is that it digitally removes itself from your footage. Whether you're flying with goggles or editing later, you can look straight down, and the drone is completely invisible. Editing this footage is done through the incredibly user-friendly DJI Studio software. You can change perspectives, set keyframes, and track subjects with just a few clicks. Because you're shooting in 360, you never have to worry about missing your shot. If a car you're tracking drifts out of frame, you simply reframe the footage in post-production. It is virtually foolproof. You can turn one simple, straight flight path into a dynamic masterpiece, panning from a forward view to a top-down shot in seconds. Now let's talk about durability and safety. The Avata 360 comes loaded with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors on the front and bottom. It will automatically stop or maneuver around objects, giving you the ultimate peace of mind. You can fly closer to subjects than ever before without breaking a sweat. And if you do crash, do not worry. The delicate 360 lenses have a dedicated replacement kit. During heavy testing, the drone was crashed directly into gritty sand with the sensors turned off. The lens was covered in dirt and expected to be totally ruined. But after a quick wipe down, it was completely flawless. It is built like an absolute tank. It also handles extreme mountain winds beautifully, cutting through headwinds with impressive speed and stability. Finally, you have amazing flexibility with how you fly. You can use the RC2 controller, which is perfect for solo creators who want a traditional setup without needing a spotter. Or you can dive into full immersion with the goggles 3 or in 3, paired with the motion controller 3. No matter where you fly, even deep in a forest or dropping down a waterfall, the transmission remains rock solid. This is without a doubt one of the most exciting pieces of tech we have seen in a long time. What are your thoughts on this incredible 2-in-1 360 design? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to see more amazing tech content, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next one.